The life you want doesn't wait for permission. It's built on risks, mistakes, and moments that scare you into action. Comfort is the enemy of greatness, and if you're still holding on to the familiar, ask yourself, what are you willing to leave behind to live the life you deserve? Today, we're stepping into the flavorful, creative, and dynamic world of a food influencer. This isn't just about posting photos of pretty plates. It's about creating trends, building connections, and living a life that blends passion with profit. Stick around until the end for more information about this luxury career path. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. Most people live their lives in fear of failure. They trade their dreams for a paycheck and convince themselves it's enough. But here's the truth. The safety net you cling to is the same thing holding you back. Becoming a food influencer isn't just a job, it's a transformation. It's about showing up, being seen, and creating something that makes people stop and pay attention. And the only thing standing between you and your dream career is your decision to start. Step into luxury, the world of a food influencer. Picture this, you've left your corporate job. The stability is gone, and all you have is a camera, a dream, and a tiny kitchen that barely fits your creativity. Your first videos barely get views, and you start to wonder if you've made the biggest mistake of your life. Then it happens. You try something different, filming a series of quick, relatable recipes that people can recreate. It resonates. The comments flood in. I needed this. You made my day. Can't wait to try this. From there, your audience grows. Brands start reaching out. Soon, you're traveling the world, reviewing luxury restaurants, collaborating with top chefs, and attending exclusive food festivals. This is the life of a food influencer, a career where creativity, community, and culinary passion converge. A day in the life of a food influencer is anything but ordinary. Morning, you start by brainstorming new content ideas. Maybe it's recreating a viral trend like butterboards or showcasing hidden food gems in your city.
Every idea is a potential connection with your audience. Afternoon, it's time to create. You're capturing the energy of a street food market. Every frame is crafted with intention.
Once the footage is ready, you edit, adding music, captions, and transitions to create a visual feast. Evening, you engage with your followers. Responding to comments, sharing stories, and interacting with fans isn't just part of the job, it's the heart of your community. This isn't a 9-to-5 job. It's a lifestyle where creativity and connection drive everything you do. Let's talk about the rewards. Food influencers earn between $30,000 and $100,000 annually, depending on their audience size and brand collaborations. Mid-level influencers with 50,000 to 100,000 followers typically earn $30,000 to $50,000. While top-tier creators with millions of followers can secure six-figure incomes through sponsorships, cookbook deals, and ad revenue. From attending events like the South Beach Wine and Food Festival to enjoying private tastings at Michelin-starred restaurants, the perks go far beyond the paycheck. But the real reward? Inspiring your audience, shaping food trends, and building a career on your own terms. Ready to get started? Here are 3 steps to begin your journey as a food influencer. Find your niche. Are you passionate about plant-based recipes, international street food, or gourmet dining? Choosing a niche helps you stand out. Master your craft. Invest in learning photography, videography, and editing. Platforms like Skillshare or Masterclass offer courses to help you create professional-level content. Grow your network. Attend food events like the NYC Wine and Food Festival to connect with brands, other influencers, and industry insiders. This career isn't without challenges. Algorithms change, trends evolve, and there's always someone else trying to take your spot. But when your content goes viral, when your followers tell you how you've inspired them to cook, travel, or try something new, that's the triumph. What separates the best food influencers from the rest?
Authenticity. Your audience craves genuine, relatable content.
Consistency. Posting regularly builds trust and keeps your followers engaged. Adaptability. Staying ahead of trends ensures your content stays relevant and exciting. Want to dive deeper? Start with Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat by Salmon Nosrat for culinary inspiration. Watch Chef's Table on Netflix to see how storytelling elevates food into art. Being a food influencer isn't just about sharing meals. It's about building a community, inspiring creativity, and living a life fueled by passion. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Discover more in the description about becoming a food influencer. For more videos like this, check out this next video.